Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we got another blind bag package, and this one is really cool because it's a mystery one, I think, because it doesn't say toys or like a rare or comment or a legendary. So let's open it. But don't forget, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button and leave a comment down below which video should I do next. By the way, guys, I got a new haircut from my mom. Leave a comment down below if it's look good on me. So, I don't know, it sounds kind of weird, but yeah, that's okay. Okay, we got the scissors. I'm just gonna open it carefully. Okay. Okay. Ooh, let's open this time. Oh my god! I won't believe this. I'm gonna show you guys what did I got. So I got this. This is so adorable. It's so cute. Okay, next up. Oh my god, this is like a brown and a white version. Cool, I really like it. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Oh my god, I think it's pink too. Oh my god, look, like when you click. Okay, let's try it in a paper. Try it on this paper. Okay. Okay, the cat. I don't know why, but some of these drop. Okay, it's like blue and red and purple. Oh my god, this is so... Oh my god, no way, you guys. It's an egg. Oh my god, I always wanted an egg toy. An egg food, actually. I really kind of like this one because I've never seen this one before in my whole entire life. So yeah. And this apple looks like a blueberry. Like, bro. Looks like a blueberry. Leave a comment down below if this looks like a blueberry, because it does to me. And I really kind of like this one because you can like staple it, look. And then it will make a little heart shape. I really like it. So thank you guys for watching my video. So see you next time. Bye.